Today, I'm going to show you how to finesse polymarket for bread using Claude Code. As you can see here, I have a bunch I have here to redeem. So let's go ahead and just start from scratch here, assuming that you've never built a trading bot for polymarket or you've never used Claude Code before. Okay, so if you've never used Claude Code before, the first thing you need to do is get it installed.
Build, baby, build. Organize now.
Yes, our slogan must be learn, baby, learn, so that we can earn, baby, earn.
I'm about to teach you everything you need to know about getting Claude Code set up so you can finesse polymarket for bread. Let's get it. Okay, this is intimidating, and don't worry if you're intimidated, okay? If you've never coded before, it does not matter. I'm going to show you step by step how to go ahead and build with Claude Code for any of these topics here: crypto, politics, sports, esports, finance, geopolitics, tech, whatever. There are so many opportunities on polymarket. And the only thing holding you back right now is maybe you don't know how to code. So first step, let's go ahead and open what's called the terminal. If you don't have terminal, you're going to be scared of it. I was scared of it too. I didn't know how to code. I'm not a coder, dude, but I can show you exactly how to get Claude Code set up. And what Claude Code does, okay, you may know of Claude, ChatGPT, okay, Claude is just better, okay? So Claude is in the desktop and it can code things for you. You could say, hey, go ahead and build me a polymarket trading bot. You can say things like that. Build me a polymarket trading bot in Python. But there's just a whole nother level to this, and I want you to go there now because I've been using AI for a long, long time. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to Google install Claude Code. And I know this is like, you're going to want to churn right here, dude. You're going to want to churn right here. You're going to be scared right here, but just trust me, this will change your life. If you install Claude Code, your life will be changed forever. Okay, so first thing you need to do is, you can see if you're on Mac, you would run this command. If you're on Windows, you'd run this command. Now, I know this is scary stuff. Okay, I'm on Mac. I'd click this copy button. Windows, click this copy button. Ignore all the ugliness. If you're on Mac, go ahead and open a terminal. A terminal looks like this. Okay, you can see the terminal is open. It's ugly. I think it's called Shell on Windows. So type in whatever you need to type in. Ask AI if you need to. Look. Again, this is scary stuff. I get it. Let's click copy here. Let's go over to Claude, and let's say this. If you're scared of this, you don't have Claude Code set up, I promise you, dude, I have PhD friends that are still not set up with Claude Code, and that's the craziest thing ever. It's the only reason I can finesse polymarket for bread, gang. It's the only reason. I'm not a good coder. I just know how to use AI, so let me get you set up with that. And then I'll be able to show you the actual things that you need to send to the AI in order to build out your own bots. So let's go over here, type in download Claude Code. And if you're on Mac, give her this. If you're on Windows, give her this. And I'm going to simply say, copy this. I'm going to go over to ChatGPT or Claude. Walk me through on Mac how to install this on my computer. And then also walk me through on Windows. Okay, I don't personally need this, but you might. This will walk you through everything you need to know on how to get set up in terminal. Now, I'm going to use my app. This is 6 different terminals. You can see I have 6 different Claude codes. Look in the top right. Okay, I've got a terminal open just like your terminal, whether that be on Windows or Mac. You can see by now she's probably given us a step-by-step. Open up terminal, and simply all you have to do is copy-paste this. It's really easy. It's just scary. Copy paste that and then hit enter. Hit enter and it'll install it. If you're on Windows, all you got to do is this. Windows, all you have to do is copy paste this into what's called your shell. Okay, now I've just changed your life by onboarding you to Claude Code. Once you're onboarded into Claude Code, all you have to do is say something like this. Claude. Type in Claude. And then it will open up Claude. Yes, I trust this. Beautiful. Okay, now you've got Claude opened up and you're ready to go. Now, I've already set up all this stuff here, and I can go ahead and open up my Claude here. Okay, so now I want to show you how to actually do this. You have to come with ideas, right? You can see I'm trading a bunch of stuff. Strait of Hormuz. Okay, so I'm up 204%, actually 406% on this one. I could hit sell right now, cash out 252, get some cash in my account. Okay, sick. Hit confirm, beautiful. Request canceled. Porqué, homie. Oh, I know why. Okay, technically you can't do this from the States, but I'm sure there's a way around that. So I'm not going to claim this now, and that's okay. But at the end of the day, I want to show you exactly how to do this. If you go over to Claude Code now, you're all set up, right? Let's go over to Polymarket here. I'm going to go ahead and drag this in. This is just, don't let this be intimidating to you. This is just my, the way I work with terminals. So you can see, let me bring this one over here. Once you get into this game, you're going to want to use a lot of AIs at the same time. It's like having 6 AIs working for you instead of just one AI. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go ahead and say, hey, I want you to go ahead and build me a Polymarket bot that trades this specific market here. So let's go over to the Strait of Hormuz, because I'll go ahead and trade this market again. Or I'll build a bot for it. What type of bot can we build? Well, it looks like there's a June 30th. There's a June 31st. We could simply keep trading each of these saying, hey, I think yes or no. Now, how are you going to decide that? That's a question for you. But what I can do here is show you how to get all of the functions and give you all that code. So let's go over to the actual code of this. And this is what I'll do. I'll say this. I want to go ahead and give you so you can visually see some of the functions that you're going to need to have in order to buy or sell on some of these markets. So let's go here and let's see if I can go ahead and give you some of the functions, because, okay, now you're getting deeper. And I know if you've never coded before, this is already scary. So just trust me.
I knew I was going to
start to make sense
I
soon.
just ain't know how. But I knew. This world is what you make it. You create your own environment. It all starts with a vision. What you can imagine, you can create.
What you can imagine, you can create. Matter of fact, let me just get all of this in the roadmap for you. Because if I give you this roadmap, then you have all of these questions answered. MoonDev.com/roadmap. Okay, let's get into it. Loading roadmap here. This has my full roadmap that will show you how to build bots and all that good stuff, and a book list, etc. Code from videos here. You can see I have a bunch of code for Hyperliquid, the Polymarket 5-minute bot, a highly demanded piece of code here. And you can see I can show you everything here. Here's all of the code. And what you can do is literally take this page. It's pretty much a roadmap I built for you that shows you all of the code on how to build a BTC 5-minute market bot. This is insane, actually, now that I look at it. What I can do here is I can say, copy this code. Okay. I want you to build me a 5-minute market bot that trades the 5-minute market. And here is the example for the actual build of this. MoonDev built it already, and now I just need to put my own ideas into it. And my main idea is I want to use the RSI. And when the RSI triggers, that's the only time I want to go long. When it gets too low, I want to go long. And if it gets too high, I want to go short. So take what MoonDev has built so far, and that's my magical idea. Now, obviously, you're going to need a great idea. Nothing is plug and play, make money overnight. But hey, I've got you so far in this few minutes. I've gotten you from non-coder to set up with Claude Code so you can actually code. Now, if you come to tomorrow's Zoom call, you're going to get this roadmap as well. This roadmap has so many examples of how to build Polymarket bots that I don't even need to show you everything here. As you can see, I showed you exactly how to have Claude Code work with this code example I gave you. I just threw in this actual full page here, which is insane that I just dropped this here. The Zoom, they're private Zooms though. They're private Zooms. So I only talk to people in the private Zooms. If you want to go to moondev.com, you can see what the private Zoom is about. There are a few spaces available. It's application only though. And on top of that, it is $5, but I give you I give you the replay. I give you a bunch of different bonuses, the MoonDev API, the MoonDev AI, the MoonDev app. That's the app I'm using right now. So I know you got to walk before you can run. And this is me running. I've got 6 different AIs working for me all day long. But hopefully, if you need to hit rewind, you can see how to install Claude Code, because I believe AI is the great equalizer. I used to say code is the great equalizer, but now everybody can code. And you can see here, building the RSI bot now, Poly Hyper RSI 5-minute bot, modeled on the MACD signal bot, but only trades when RSI hits oversold long up or overbought down. Now, what you can do is, it's so magical. There are so many different types of things you can trade here. I just went ahead and built this 5-minute up or down bot, and you're seeing it being built by Claude right here, and I'm not even coding. It's crazy. So there's 5-minute markets. You can trade every 5 minutes. These are very dangerous. That being said, there's a lot of opportunity here. You got sports. A lot of people are sports betting here. You got esports as well. I found some interesting different bots that I've built in different types of sports, and I've shown them all here on the YouTube channel. If you have questions, feel free to jump into the private Zoom tomorrow and ask. You got stuff in the Iran war. You got finance, geopolitics, tech, culture. Now, you can sit here and just watch videos like this, or you can actually go ahead and use your brain and your ideas. I know you got good ideas, dude. You now know how to set up with Claude Code. I gave you some example code here. And in case you don't want to come to the Zoom tomorrow, you can just rewind this video. I just scrolled through all the code. So here you go, dude. There's a link in the description below if you do want to join, but I will scroll through all of this code so you can screenshot it and have it for free. Much love to you. Thank you for coming through. Make sure to stay locked, because we just finished this bot, built Poly Hyper RSI 5-minute bot, modeled on MoonDev's MACD signal bot, but with your magical RSI idea. So you'll have to test the RSI. I show you how to do all that testing and stuff. This is just one idea. You can see RSI 5-minute bot. Let's go ahead and see if we can get it running before this is over. Let's go ahead and see if we can pull it into the cursor. So it says it's in Poly Hyper. So I just go over here and I get it. This is intimidating. So don't be too scared to do this stuff. I was scared of learning how to code too. I was very scared, and you don't have to learn how to code really anymore. So you can see I have a bunch of 5-minute ideas here. 5-minute, 5-minute. This one's called the RSI 5-minute bot here. And you can see right here, this is all of the code that we built today. Let me go ahead and run it while I scroll through it. Okay, I'm going to scroll through all the code. So just in case you don't want to come to the Zoom tomorrow, it's a private Zoom. It's $5 only for the big ballers. I get it if you can't make it. Look, it's looking at the RSI signal right now. RSI 5-minute bot is live. Polymarket only. Okay. Now I'm scrolling through all the code so you can have it as well. I'll actually go ahead and, well, there's no need for me to put it on the roadmap, as you saw what I built from it, and I gave you the code to the original version, and that code is on the roadmap, and you get that when you do come to the Zoom. So no worries, dude. You can see it's waiting 65 seconds until the next market, and now you've successfully gone from Polymarket dude that might have some ideas to fully automated trader on Polymarket. I've literally given you all the code. If you go ahead and take screenshots, or you just come to the Zoom tomorrow, you will have everything you need to build for the rest of your life on Polymarket. I think this must be the best 15 minutes you've ever spent. So go smash the like button, and I'll see you again here tomorrow at the private Zoom. You see all of the code for the 5-minute RSI that we built. You have access to it. Much love to you, and I'll see you tomorrow.
Don't even think about it, bro. Just keep going.